In this tutorial, we will walk through how to use the Find and Replace feature in GalleryID desktop. Wrong jersey number in your captions. It happens, and it spreads. Let's walk through an example. Open the gallery with the metadata that needs to be updated. In this sample gallery, Quinn Adams is incorrectly captioned as number 3, and her jersey number should be 2. To find and replace the incorrect captions, press Option-Command F. Type her name. GalleryID desktop narrows the grid to her photos instantly. Open the photo. The caption reads Quinn Adams, number 3 of State University. But look at the jersey. And look at the roster. She wears number 2. The wrong jersey number is embedded in the caption. This can easily be fixed in the editor by entering the correct jersey number. If this error was contained in a number of photos, that can be a time-consuming task. To quickly update the incorrect caption, we will use the Find and Replace feature. Return to the main photo grid and right-click on a photo. Choose Find and Replace in Metadata. Pick your scope, just the selection or the entire gallery. Find Quinn Adams number 3. Replace with Quinn Adams number 2. Check the description and caption field. Exact phrase, so nothing else is touched. You see a live match count before anything is written. Click Replace. Done. The caption now reads Quinn Adams, number 2. The fix is written into the file itself. RAW and JPEG pairs stay in sync, sidecars come along, and search stays current. No exports. No cloud round trip. Visit the GalleryID desktop help page for more tutorials.